Sound of my voice, any sound you hear is made by two things striking together, the voice, the air on the larynx cord. What is the sound that is not made by any two things striking together? It is Om. It is the sound of the energy of the universe of which all things are manifestations. The energy is what underlies all the forms, E equals mc squared. And the sound of that energy is said to be Om. Now, Om can be written in Roman letters either as O-M or as A-U-M. O in Sanskrit is analyzed into A and U. A-U-M, the four-element syllable. The four elements are A, U, M, and the silence out of which Om comes and back in which it goes. The Indians will always recognize that ground in silence, in infinite, in transcendent, in the void.